This is a 2018 slightly used Sk9 2.5 liter. Asking price for this unit it's 3 million. Naweza ongea kidogo, ama kama unataka kufanya haya purchase na kubalika, balance unaweza lipa na 1 year. Another unit that's not locally used, it's new. This is the X-Brake, which is Sk9 2.5 liter. This new 2019 model. Asking price it naweza kusema 3.8. Kama ni hair purchase, 50% deposit, balance in monthly installment. Another unit that's Sk9, it's the blue one. Same cc, 2.5 liter, 2019 model. This with a 3.9 asking, naweza ongea kidogo. Apart from this unit, there is e-Boxer, which is the Ske 2 liter mild hybrid. This comes with sunroof. There is option for this black, silver, pearl white. Asking price 4 million. Higher purchase 50% deposit, balance in monthly installment. We have a selection of units and many other more in the yard. Reach us at 0768 231393. We are based in Mombasa Moi Avenue. Welcome.